Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'll be making leftover Christmas roast veggie focaccia with pesto and chili jam. I do not have the chili jam at the moment, but we're going to make this work. Okay, so I'm using roast veggies. That's this one. I'm using pesto. I'm using this one, the Epicure Zug pesto. I'm using chili flakes. I'm using this one. This is the crushed chilies. I'm using olive oil as well. I'll be using olive oil. And the deli kitchen sliced focaccia. And this is how it looks like in the bag. So I've not got chili jam because I checked in store and they didn't have chili jam. So I'm just going to try and work with what I've got right here. So the recipe says mix together leftover roast veggies and 2 tablespoons of pesto in a bowl, and that's just what I'm going to show you guys right now. It's this one, and it says 2 spoons of this. So I'm just going to mix it up like this. I don't know if you guys can see because I put the camera on the table. So it says add the veggies to a frying pan with a splash of oil over medium heat. So I'm just going to stir the pesto, add the veggies to a frying pan with a splash of oil over a medium heat, season with your chili flakes and fry for 5 to 6 minutes until hot. I'm going to use this Tesco olive oil. Right. So I'm going to splash some of the olive oil. Okay. I'm going to pop it into the oil. Then it says add the chili. I do not have chili jam. I'm going to use tomato ketchup because we cool like that. And how cute is this chopping board from Deli Kitchen? It's the cutest. So whilst this is still frying, I'm just going to give it a stir again. So the recipe doesn't need salt, as I can see. I'm not going to add salt because I want to have a taste of like the actual recipe. I know there's no chili jam in here, but then ketchup can do, and the ketchup doesn't have salt anyways. It's the Heinz no added sugar and salt ketchup, so that's brilliant. I think it would be a good recipe, to be a good substitute for me. So I think this is ready. I think it should be ready now. Okay, so I've just removed the top half. It says put a splash of olive oil on the bottom half, so I'm going to spray this olive oil on the bottom half. Okay, let's just do that. I think that should be okay. Good. Evenly spread 2 spoons of chili jam. I'm going to add some ketchup really. They said spread it, so I'm going to spread it with this. Okay. Load it up with some root veggies. I'm going to take like that and put it on top. Good. Stick this one, stick it on top like that. Stick it on top. And then drizzle over on the underside of the top half of the focaccia. So on this side, it says we should drizzle some olive oil here as well. So do just that. Okay. Then place it on top of this. Place it on top. Squish them together. Okay. This is how it looks. It looks something like this when it has been squished down. Heat a frying pan on a medium heat with a splash of olive oil. Add your deli kitchen sliced focaccia and toast for 3 minutes on each side until crisp and golden. Now, that's what I'm going to do. So, I'm not sure what the name is, focaccia, I don't know, but it is what it is, and it is what I say it is. Now, so I'm going to put some olive oil in there, everywhere. The more the merrier. Okay, about this quantity should be fine. Say hello.
Hello!
Alright, so we're going to pop this gently. Woo. Okay. So we're going to leave it to toast, and then I will use a knife to slice it into halves. So slice it into half like this. Good. So this is my gorgeous leftover Christmas roast veggie focaccia with pesto and ketchup. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure you click the like button, comment down below and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!